And getting you visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressing the commanders meet in Kevadia, Gujarat. An important day today, third day of the commanders conference that is taking place. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived in Gujarat, where he'll be addressing the key commanders conference, boosting the morale of our forces. The Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani also received the Prime Minister from the airport. He tweeted, "Gujarat warmly welcomes Honorable Prime Minister." My colleague Shivani is live with us. Shivani, a very important day. You've been tracking this story since the morning. Prime Minister Narendra Modi all set to deliver his key address at the top commanders conference. This is a meet with all the three forces, Army, Navy and the Air Force all together.
Adhiraj, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is already there at the Commanders Conference, the Combined Commanders Conference, which happens to the biggest event in the defense domain of the country, where the security and preparedness is being discussed and reviewed. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he's already being given presentations on the whole security situation. And this is a very important Combined Commanders Conference, Adhiraj, because after the standoff we had with China, this is for the first time when the top commanders of the nation are meeting and reviewing the whole situation. And we know that the Indian Army has been transforming exponentially, modernizing on the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And this will also be reviewed by the Prime Minister. And definitely he'll be giving directions to all the top commanders on to how we need to be prepared for the future challenges, what should be our preparedness, and how we can overcome the challenges on the two fronts, be it Pakistan or be it on the eastern side. And very important thing this time, Adhiraj, is that for the first time with these top commanders, the NCOs, officers also are being included in this commanders conference, because they will be giving their feedback and on the motivation level, on the ground working conditions, and how things can be enhanced further. So this is the valedictory function where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing and delivering the keynote address. And also the focus would be on the indigenization of the defense procurements. We know that one list of more than 100 such weapons and equipments is already out last year, which will not be imported from different countries. And another list, the list number 2, will be also released very soon, and it will also be discussed and taken up in this Combined Commanders Conference. And the synergy between Indian Army, Navy and Air Force is the focus of this Combined Commanders Conference happening at Kevadia, Adhiraj. And very importantly, many new structural changes are coming up in the Indian Defence Forces, be it the new theatre commands. So the progress of all these will also be reviewed by the Prime Minister during this Combined Commanders Conference. Back to you.
Right, Shivani, very important developments. As you had just stated, a big boost to the defence sector, first of its kind, top commanders conference that is taking place in Kevadia, Gujarat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi all set to address the gathering of commanders. But as you had just stated, this is going to be Prime Minister's first address post the LAC disengagement.
Yes, Adhiraj, definitely. This is for the first time when the Prime Minister would be addressing the top commanders after the standoff position we had been with China and the disengagement that has happened of late. And this will also be reviewed. This happens to be the first commanders conference after the standoff with China aggravated in last May. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi would certainly be taking feedbacks. He'll be reviewing the whole situation and also how the whole process of disengagement and de-escalation will be taken forth by the defense forces. As we know that Defense Minister Rajnath Singh is already there at the Combined Commanders Conference since yesterday, and today National Security Advisor Ajit Doval is also there. So all the top brass of Indian defense domain is at Kevadia. Prime Minister would be addressing them, taking feedback, would be delivering his keynote address, and also the multi-layered interaction which will happen is quite important in wake of the whole situation that India is into. A never-before-like situation. On one hand, we are having structural changes. On the other hand, we are facing challenges like never before. And we are handling the whole situation with complete capability. The combat capabilities of the three forces are increasing, be it Army, Navy and Air Force. We are having new developments and new equations with countries. So this would be definitely a very important point to be discussed, the China LAC, the LAC standoff situation with the China, which how it has been handled by the army, the diplomacy, and definitely the ground level motivation also would be discussed and reviewed by Prime Minister Modi. And yesterday when we saw that Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, he addressed and he also interacted with these officers, both from the top level and also on the NCO and officer level. He has thanked these soldiers deployed on field, especially the way they have been strongly holding the ground in the eastern Ladakh sector. So everything would be discussed, reviewed, and we look forward to what Prime Minister has to deliver in his keynote address. Back to you, Adhiraj.
Of course, many thanks, Shivani, for tracking those latest developments. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Kevadia addressing the top commanders conference that is taking place. We'll track the latest developments coming in for you.